Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Before reciting the Holy Quran, it is extremely important to know how the letters are pronounced. The Quran is not read randomly, it is recited with rules, care, and correct pronunciation. There are three essential things to learn in Quran recitation. Number one, Makhraj of letters, mean articulation points. Number two, Mad letters, mean lengthening of sound. Number three, harakat, short vowels, zabar, zer, and pesh. But today, we will start learning the Quran from the most basic and important foundation, which is makhraj. In English, we say outlet or articulation point. Okay, first of all, we have to know that what is makhraj. Simple definition, makhraj means the specific place from which a letter's sound emerges or release. Arabic letters cannot be pronounced without rules. They emerge from the empty space of the mouth, the throat, the tongue, and the lips. Each place has its specific letters. In this series, we will learn from Qaida step by step in a simple and easy manner with correct pronunciation. This course is suitable for children, adults, beginners, and parents. Now we start with board number 1 or chapter number 1, where we will learn the individual letters with their correct makhraj.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is chapter number 1 of the Qaida in easy English for beginners, Takhti number 1, and in English it is called chapter number 1. Mufradat is the plural of mufrad, and the meaning of mufrad I have taught you in a last video. Mufrad mean individual Arabic letters, as like for example alif, ba, ta, tha, alif, ba, ta, tha. These are Arabic individual letters. In Arabic it is called mufradat because of these are not singular, these are much letters, so that's why this is called mufradat. So let's we begin the outlet of these letters, the particulation point of these letters. So first of all, we begin by the name of Allah. The first letter is alif. Alif is pronounced from the empty part of the mouth softly, alif, alif, but take care, save yourself from alif. This is not a alif, this is alif. The next one is ba, ba. Both lips close, then open gently, ba. The both lips close, then open gently, ba, ba. Then ta, ta. This is little hard. The tip of the tongue, the tip of the tongue touches the upper teeth, the upper front teeth area. The tip of the tongue touches the upper front teeth area. Then comes back, ta, ta. Then tha. Tha is a soft and thin letter. The tongue comes slightly between the teeth. The tongue comes slightly between the teeth. Tha, tha. This is tha. Then jim, jim. The middle of the throat touches the roof of the mouth. J, j, jim. Then release. J, jim. The middle of the tongue touches the roof of the mouth. Then release. Jim. Then ha, ha. The sound comes from the middle of the throat. The sound comes from the middle of the throat. Ha. Then kha, kha is a heavy letter. Kha is a heavy letter. Kha, kha is a heavy letter. The sound comes from the back of the throat. There is a light raw sound. Kha, kha. Then dal. Dal. This is dal. The outlet of dal, the tip of the tongue, touches the upper front teeth area quickly. The dal, dal. Then val. This is val. The tongue touches the edges of the teeth. Val, same like tha. How was pronouncing tha, also same like dal. And in the next video we will learn va. This is also same like these both are these three letters pronounced from the same outlet, from the same articulation. So this is val. The tongue touches the edges of the teeth. Val. And then the last letter is ra. This is ra. And the outlet of ra is the tip of the tongue lightly touches the roof of the front mouth, the upper front mouth. Ra, ra. The tip of the tongue touches the roof of the mouth. Ra, ra. This is ra. So for today, this is enough for you. And I have told you in the last video, you should do practice daily just for a 5 to 10 minutes, and especially the front of mirror. This is a challenge. The front of mirror, you can improve the pronunciation of Arabic letters, the front of mirror, because of there are more letters which pronounce from a different places of the mouth, like teeth, like tongue, like throat. So if you want to improve your pronunciation, so you should do practice daily.
Subscribe to learn more, like, and share.